Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have OUKITEL RT8 and I want to show you how clean up cache and data on this device. To do that, open Settings application, where we look for Apps selection, which is in our there tab See all apps, and now we have list of our all application. In it we must find application which we want to clear. In my case it can be maybe photos. There storage and cache, and to clear only cache we press clear cache and we clear only cache, but to clear all storage we tap on manage storage and delete and we clear all storage from photos. That's all, thanks for watching, bye.